Pairing Bluetooth keyboard, a step-by-step guide.
Hello, tech enthusiasts. Today, we'll be answering a common query many of you have asked. How do I know if my Bluetooth keyboard is paired with my device? Knowing this will help ensure your devices are properly connected for optimal usage. Let's dive in.
What is Bluetooth pairing?
Bluetooth pairing is the process of creating a link between two Bluetooth-capable devices. In this case, between your device, like a laptop, tablet, or smartphone, and your Bluetooth keyboard. It is a simple and secure method of connecting devices wirelessly.
How to pair your Bluetooth keyboard.
Before we delve into how to check if your keyboard is paired, let's quickly go over how to pair your Bluetooth keyboard. 1. Turn on your Bluetooth keyboard. Most keyboards have a Bluetooth button you need to press and hold until the Bluetooth indicator starts blinking. 2. Enable Bluetooth on your device. This usually can be found in the Settings menu. 3. Find and select your keyboard. In the list of available devices, your keyboard should appear. Select it to begin the pairing process. 4. Some devices may require you to enter a code that appears on your screen into your Bluetooth keyboard to confirm the pairing.
Is my Bluetooth keyboard paired?
Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. How do you know if your Bluetooth keyboard is paired with your device? 1. Check your device's Bluetooth settings. If the pairing process was successful, your keyboard should be listed as a connected device. 2. Test your keyboard. A simple way to verify if your keyboard is paired is to open a text editor and try typing something. If the text appears on your screen, congrats, your keyboard is connected.
What if my keyboard doesn't connect?
Sometimes, things don't go as planned. If your keyboard is not connecting, here are some steps you can try. 1. Check if your keyboard's Bluetooth is enabled and the battery is sufficiently charged. 2. Restart both your device and your keyboard. 3. Remove your keyboard from your device's list of paired devices and try pairing it again. 4. If all else fails, it may be worth reaching out to the keyboard's manufacturer for support. And there you have it. Now you know how to pair your Bluetooth keyboard with your device, and how to check if the pairing is successful. Here's to hassle-free typing sessions. We hope this guide has been helpful, and remember to reach out if you have any more tech questions. Happy typing!